Hello and welcome to LEGO MOC Masterpieces. Today we're bringing you some work from one of the best, if not the best LEGO designer at creating organic shapes, Amado Pinlock. Many of us living in colder climates would really love to be down south right now, enjoying drinks with various citrus fruits in them like lemon and lime. Although it may be a bit of a fantasy, Amado has brought us a little taste of what lemon and limes would look like when built out of Lego. He's done a bang-up job of that oblong shape of the fruit using some curved bricks and some plates along with the dishes and small pips on the ends acting like the little nib. For the leaves on the fruit, he has used a leaf piece with some curved bricks attached. Overall, a great little build that conveys the sense of what those lemon and limes look like in real life. Now, with thoughts of Easter just around the corner, he has given us some eggs to feast upon. Although, these aren't the chocolate variety. You do get your choice between hard-boiled and soft-boiled though. He has created the shape by what appears to be bricks with studs on all sides stacked up on top of each other and then twisted at a 45-degree angle. Then the curved bricks are spaced with some plates and attached to those bricks. And finally, he has a round plate or a half spherical brick on top, which creates the perfect effect for an egg yolk. And lastly, he has given us this wonderfully detailed egg stand with that glorious decorative egg on the top. He's used some really interesting pieces here with the Ninjago blades and the chain and also the curly Q pieces. All together make for an outstanding effect on this display stand. For the stand, he used the same brick with studs on all sides with a rod up through, then the element with the axle hole through it with the 4 bars connected in a circle, and then up through that he connected the egg. All the decorative elements were attached either with studs to the bottom or with cylinders onto the bars. It is really amazing where you can go when you are exploring a technique like Amado has done. He has taken a simple technique that is used for making cylinders and created these lifelike organic shapes with it. I'm really looking forward to seeing how much further he is going to take this technique. And I would love to see his impression of a Fabergé egg on that egg stand. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you to Amado for letting us explore his designs. I am sure we're going to be doing this again and seeing some really great and interesting builds from him. He does all sorts of organic shapes and flowers. Check out his Flickr account. You will definitely be impressed. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this inspiring, please like, subscribe, and share so that others can enjoy it too. We have a Patreon account if you wish to support us that way. That's it for now. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.